Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and OS version so you know which fixes apply. Next, reproduce the issue, open the exact app, and tap the text field to make the keyboard appear. Once done, close background apps and restart the keyboard app if available to rule out a transient glitch. You do this because many keyboard up problems are caused by app conflicts or low memory, and isolating the issue saves time before deeper changes. Now adjust keyboard settings to correct layout shifts. Open keyboard settings and change height or turn off floating mode so the UI doesn't reflow unexpectedly. Also disable any full-screen input mode or accessory toolbar that forces content up. If the problem persists, update the keyboard app or temporarily switch to the system default keyboard and test. This confirms whether a third-party app causes the issue. Make sure to test and finish by clearing the keyboard app cache or data, then reinstalling if needed. This removes corrupt settings that push the screen up. Update the OS and any affected apps because fixes often arrive in updates. If nothing works, consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up data. If the problem still happens, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party conflict or contact OEM support. One tip: use safe mode first to avoid unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.